What's going on YouTube? I'm Aaron, and today I'm going to make a little video about the first mod that I'm doing for my new car. If you watched my last video, you will have seen that I just purchased a 2019 Ford Mustang GT Premium, and I just bought my first mod for it, and we're going to do a little unboxing. I'm going to show you guys that, a little before and after video, and you guys tell me what you think. Here we go. This is the first mod on my 2019 Mustang GT. I picked these up on cjponyparts.com. Pretty reliable website for Mustang parts. I'm going to show you guys a little unboxing of what it is that I just purchased. Super excited to put these on the car. Drum roll, please. Yeah, so these are Winjet, I believe is the brand. Euro taillights for the S550 Mustang. And I gotta say, these things are sexy. The build quality is top notch. The black is super clean and matches the car perfectly. See, this is where I've already uninstalled the American stock red tails, and I'll be putting in these next. Here they are side by side. The Euros and the American red. Let me know which ones you like better. Hopefully it's the Euros.